Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to be looking at the genre again of informational text. The purpose of informational text is to present facts and information. An article is a short informational text that focuses on a narrow topic. It helps you as the reader understand the topic when the article is well organized. That means the information is put together in a way that it flows for you to understand it. Okay? It's going to use text features that we've talked about before, such as headings, sidebars, and boldface type words to help guide you as the reader through the different aspects of the topic. And so today we're going to look back at those text features to help us explore the topic of fears and phobias. The fear of heights is called acrophobia. How do you feel when you see a roller coaster like the one that I'm getting ready to show you in class? I want you to think about, before I show you this roller coaster, how do you feel when you see a really tall roller coaster?